This is a Raya box number 4. It was designed and made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal is to fit all these 6 parts inside the frame. If you like the Raya box number 4 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The Raya box number 4 is made from wood. There is a piece of acrylic on top that kind of makes the opening a little bit smaller. It gives some restrictions, and you have to fit all 6 parts inside the frame. There are 2 L-shaped parts, there are 2 T-shapes, and there are 2 squares. And if you try randomly put them inside of the frame, you will find that you can probably fit most of the parts, but you won't be able to fit kind of like 2 more. As you can see, they don't really fit, and you have to figure out the correct solution. It will be not as easy, but quite fun. The Raya box number 4 is a part of Raya box puzzle series. There are 8 puzzles in this series. Each piece has a unique set of parts, unique frame, and each puzzle has a different solution. If you like the Raya box number 4 and you want to try other Raya boxes puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.